All right, so I've had many questions on this, and I'm going to break this down, right? So when price comes into, let's say this is a bearish key level, this is a bearish fair value gap, and we're looking for sells. How do you read the order flow? What do I keep talking about with order flow? Order flow is basically the number of aggressive buyers and aggressive sellers. So if we take this candle over here, right, let's kind of zoom into this candle here. We see two numbers on each side, one on the left, one on the right. The number on the left represents the total number of aggressive sellers. This is the number of market participants hitting the bid. The number on the right represents the total number of market participants hitting the ask. So you have the bid and the ask. And what's important about this is that the bid and the ask tell you who is aggressive and who is passive, right? So here we have so many aggressive buyers, and you can see that with the blue delta over here. Here we have negative delta. We see so many aggressive sellers. So what's important to understand here is that we have so many aggressive buyers, but the market moved down. So what that means is that in this region, we have a lot of passive sellers that are absorbing these aggressive buyers. Think of it as a tug of war. It's an auction. So here we see so many aggressive buyers that are failing, and we see aggressive sellers that are being rewarded. The reason these aggressive sellers are being rewarded is because, yes, the buyers are not being rewarded, and we see price breaking below pretty aggressively, right? Pretty aggressively. We see aggressive buyers failing, and we see aggressive sellers being rewarded. So remember to read these numbers and remember to use the delta and ask yourself, who is being rewarded? If the buyers are not being rewarded, that means that sellers are in control. So you want to be looking for sells, right? Reading the order flow is that simple.